Have you ever experienced the sinking feeling of your car's transmission starting to fail? From subtle warning signs to outright mechanical meltdowns, understanding the common indicators of a failing transmission can save you from being stranded on the roadside or facing costly repairs. Let's delve into these telltale signs and equip you with the knowledge to nip transmission troubles in the bud. Common signs of a failing transmission. 1. Strange noises. Listen closely to your car's soundscape. Whining, clunking, or humming noises when shifting gears or during acceleration could indicate transmission issues. Ignoring these noises may worsen the problem. 2. Slipping gears. Does your car seem to shift gears unexpectedly or struggle to stay in gear? This slipping sensation, often accompanied by a sudden increase in engine RPM without a corresponding acceleration, suggests a slipping transmission. 3. Delayed response. A delay between shifting gears and the corresponding action can signal transmission trouble. Whether it's a hesitation before engaging into drive or reverse, such delays may worsen over time and lead to more severe issues. 4. Fluid leaks. Transmission fluid is crucial for smooth gear shifts and cooling. Check for leaks under your car. Fluid stains or puddles beneath the transmission area could indicate a leak. Low fluid levels can lead to overheating and accelerated wear. 5. Burning odor. A distinct burnt odor, often likened to overheated or scorched oil, may indicate transmission fluid overheating. This smell should never be ignored, as it could signal internal damage to transmission components. 6. Dashboard warning lights. Modern vehicles are equipped with onboard diagnostic systems that may illuminate warning lights like the check engine light or transmission temperature warning. Don't disregard these warnings, they're your car's way of communicating a problem. 7. Difficulty in shifting gears. If you find it increasingly challenging to shift gears smoothly or notice grinding sensations when doing so, it's a red flag. Difficulty in engaging gears, especially when accompanied by resistance or grinding, warrants immediate attention. If you've identified any of these signs in your vehicle, it's essential to address them promptly. Schedule a diagnostic check with a trusted mechanic to pinpoint the underlying cause of the transmission issues. Depending on the severity of the problem, repairs may range from a simple fluid change or adjustment to more complex transmission rebuilds or replacements. Regular maintenance, including fluid checks and flushes as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, can also extend the lifespan of your transmission and prevent future issues. Taking proactive steps now can save you from more significant headaches and expenses down the road. Now that you're armed with knowledge about the signs of a failing transmission, don't overlook them. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these indicators can save you from costly repairs and potential breakdowns. Stay informed, and if you suspect transmission trouble, don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic. Remember, sharing this information can help others avoid the headaches of transmission issues. Subscribe to our channel for more car care tips, share this guide with friends and family, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.